What is Tigerwood? Tigerwood is a tropical hardwood best known for its dramatic appearance, with rich reddish brown and golden tones contrasted by its distinctive dark streaks and resemble the stripes of a tiger. The name Tigerwood can refer to several woods, but the species commonly sold for exterior decking is prized for its combination of natural beauty, durability, and strength. It's used for decking, siding, outdoor furniture, and other projects where homeowners want the performance of a tropical hardwood with the look that really stands out. In this video, we'll answer some of the most common questions about Tigerwood decking. How long does it last? How does it compare to Ipe and Cumaru? Does the color fade? Does it need to be sealed? And what are the biggest pros and cons you should know before choosing it for your deck? So what makes Tigerwood different from all other hardwood decking? Appearance is probably Tigerwood's biggest distinguishing feature. While woods like Ipe tend to have more consistent brown and olive tones, Tigerwood can display a much wider range of colors, from golden orange and reddish brown to darker brown and nearly black streaks. No two boards look exactly the same, and that natural variation can create a very distinctive finished deck. If you want a hardwood deck with plenty of character, rather than completely uniform appearance, Tigerwood is definitely a species worth considering. How long does Tigerwood last outdoors? Tigerwood is a dense tropical hardwood with good natural resistance to rot and decay, making it well suited for exterior applications. A properly installed and maintained Tigerwood deck can provide decades of service. As with any other hardwood deck, insulation matters, so proper ventilation, board spacing, quality fasteners and sealing, freshly cutting the ends can all help maximize the life and performance of the decking. How does Tigerwood compare to Ipe or Cumaru? All three are tropical hardwoods, but they all offer slightly different advantages. Ipe is generally chosen when maximum strength, durability, and longevity are the priority. Cumaru also offers exceptional strength and durability, but often at a lower price than Ipe. Tigerwood isn't quite as hard as either Ipe or Cumaru, but its biggest advantage is its appearance and value. Those dramatic dark streaks in contrasting colors create a look that is difficult to duplicate with any other natural decking material. So the right choice really depends on what matters most to you: maximum durability, price, or unique natural appearance. Do you have to seal Tigerwood decking? Tigerwood does not need a surface coating to create its natural beauty, but if you want to maintain those rich reddish and golden colors, applying penetrating hardwood oil is recommended, in particular deck-wise and wise coat finishes. Without regular oiling, exposure to sunlight and weather will gradually change the appearance of the wood. So you're probably wondering, what happens if you don't oil it? Like Ipe, Cumaru, and other tropical hardwoods, Tigerwood would naturally weather towards a silver gray patina. This doesn't necessarily mean there's anything wrong with the wood. It's primarily changing its appearance caused by exposure to the elements. So if you love Tigerwood because of its original color and striping, periodic cleaning and oiling will help preserve that look. Will Tigerwood lose its stripes over time? No, the tiger never loses its stripes. The dramatic color contrast will become less pronounced as an unfinished deck weathers and grays. If maintaining the original Tigerwood appearance is important to you, regular maintenance with the quality penetrating hardwood oil will help protect and enhance the color. If you prefer a lower maintenance approach, you can also allow the wood to weather naturally. Either way, it's important to understand that the color of any natural hardwood will change when exposed to sunlight and weather. Can Tigerwood be used for pool decking? Yes. Tigerwood's density, durability, and natural resistance to decay make it suitable for many outdoor applications, including pool decks. As with any decking around a pool, proper installation and regular cleaning are important, particularly to keep the surface free from dirt, algae, and other buildups that could affect traction. Is Tigerwood difficult to work with? Tigerwood is a dense hardwood, so it requires more care than softer woods such as pressure-treated pine or cedar. Quality carbide tip tools are recommended, and pre-drilling may be necessary depending on the fastening method being used. You will also want to follow proper hardwood installation practices, including appropriate spacing and end sealing. For an experienced deck builder, these are all standard practices when working with tropical hardwoods decking. So to wrap up, What are the pros and cons of Tigerwood decking? The biggest advantage, its appearance. Tigerwood offers dramatic natural color variation and distinctive dark striping that you simply don't get with most decking materials. It is also dense, durable, and naturally resistant to decay and capable of providing decades of outdoor performance when properly installed. On the flip side, Tigerwood is not as hard as Ipe or Cumaru, and its distinctive appearance may not appeal to someone who wants a very consistent, uniform deck. It is also a dense hardwood, so installation requires the right tools and techniques. And if you want to maintain its original reddish golden color and dramatic striping, you need to periodically clean and oil the deck. If appearance is one of your top priorities, Tigerwood offers something very different from most other decking materials. You get the durability and long-term performance associated with tropical hardwood decking, but with a much more dramatic natural grain and color pattern. If you want the absolute maximum strength and longevity, Ipe may be the better choice. If you're focused heavily on value and durability, Cumaru is another excellent option. But if you're looking for a premium hardwood deck that stands out visually, Tigerwood can be a fantastic choice.